Yeah, what go on? Vybz Kartel, Shenseea, Panic. Let's go.
Outside and inside when I saw you at Gallia. Outside and inside when I saw you at the party
DJ
and I
Records,
had
big
to
up.
say hi.
Kartel.
Skin bright, and me and your type. All when sun a shine, yeah, the hottest thing we outside.
You are the cutest, I feel be the boss. Love you from the start, no I broke your heart. Wine bubble bath, cause you're pretty and you're smart. Anyway you roll up, this a vibe start when you
Open it like a Red Sea, I get part. Stop it and take it anywhere the car park. You are the general, you never pass that grab.
Hold on, man. Hold on, man. Wanna see one team I go on here, so? Wanna see like some old school beat a forward back in our modern way? This remind me of Kartel and Spice. When she said, she love turn back with you. Me can't sing it because why that? But she said, she love turn back with you. Can't take it pressure when the... So, at the same time...
Gallia. Outside and inside when I saw you at the party and I had to say hi.
Skin bright, and me and your type. All when sun a shine, yeah, the hottest thing we outside.
Gallia. Outside and inside when I saw you at the party and I had to say hi.
Skin bright, and me and your type. All when
Man, she said skin bright, and me and your type. Obviously, skin bright, she light skin, see them white. So, she must say, yo, I light skin girl you like cars. You there, see them. The skin bright. Yeah? Yeah?
Gallia. Outside and inside when I saw you at the party and I had to say hi.
Alright.
skin bright, and me and your type. All when sun a shine, yeah, the hottest thing we outside.
She said, all when sun a shine, she had the hottest thing outside.
Skin bright, and me and your type. All when sun a shine, yeah, the hottest thing we outside.
Alright.
You are the cutest, I feel be the boss. Love you from the start, no I broke your heart.
Love you from the start, man. Nah broke your heart, mama. Man, nah broke your to do that. I would be wrong. No.
You are the cutest, I feel be the boss. Love you from the start, no I broke your heart. Wine bubble bath, cause you're pretty and you're smart. Anyway you roll up, this a vibe start when
Wine, bubble bath, cause you're pretty and you're smart. Bubble bath. Bubble bath. Get it?
Wine bubble bath, cause you're pretty and you're smart. Anyway you roll up, this a vibe start when you
Open it like a Red Sea, I get part. Stop it and take it anywhere the car park.
Don't me like it like up me like I Red Sea I get part. Moses.
when you
Open it like a Red Sea, I get part.
Yeah.
Stop it and take it anywhere the car park.
Yeah.
You are the general, you never fast start. Bra, boss you a push them, your man a push a hand cat.
bounce.
Pussy clot. Bra boss you a push one them a push and
The
cat.
general, you never fast start.
General.
Bra, boss you a push them, your man a push a hand cat.
Bounce with it, bounce with the gal. Move with it, move with the gal.
Yeah.
Wine pan it, gal.
Everything about the video say old school. Everything about the beat say old school. Everything about the vibe say old school. Even the China bump them in other girl ear say old school. Even the way how the cameraman do the yo big up on yourself.
Move with it, move with the gal. Wine pan it, gal. Tick tock, take time pan it, gal.
You make me say,
Right back. And the whole crew of Buckler.
Hold on, you have the thing with tighter than a syringe. And when me say you hot, me no mean hot wings.
You have the thing tighter than a syringe, and when me say you hot, me no mean hot wings.
Hold on, you have the thing with tighter than a syringe. And when me say you hot, me no mean hot wings. Sit down in a me lap, but I no Santa a Grinch. And bubble when they done make you receive every inch.
Sit down in my lap. And a Santa Grinch. Yes, you know, say Santa love put pit in him lap. Santa blood club at him too. Santa, hey, left Santa. It must be a different top topic. But yo!
Sit down in a me lap, but I no Santa a Grinch. And bubble when they done make you receive every inch.
Every inch.
member say, good body get things. You a fear watch it out, you a fear binge.
Member say good body get things. A good pussy she want say no. Member say good pussy get things. Good pussy girl forget things. Yeah.
Member say, good body get things. You a fear watch it out, you a fear binge. Head tap when
Binge watch. Yeah. You a fear watch it out. You a fear binge. Binge watch. You know when they sit down for all one day and watch two series or a whole series, yeah, binge watch it. So she has said to the teacher, say, you have to watch it out, you have to binge. You have to binge watch, cause our body goes.
body get things. You a fear watch it out, you a fear binge. Head tap of girl, but me a the lord of the rings.
Pussy class. You're full of girl, but she had the lord of the rings. She had the lord of the rings. And she have the ring pan finger. She had the wife. So no matter how much girl out there, are you a she?
Head tap, let me spin like rings. You're full of girl, but me a the lord of the rings.
Bounce with it, bounce with the gal. Move with it, move with the gal. Wine panic, wine panic gal.
Why ain't panic though?
Take time panic gal.
Let me say, it's a whole old school feel, even to how she dress. The whole old school feel. You look nice, really nice. Yeah. DJ Records, big up. Buckler, Vybz Kartel, music. Shane Creative, sick. Production team, big up on yourself. No or never, better no or never. No, sorry. Shane Creative, sorry. Shane, I just said Shane Creative, didn't I say? Yo! Teacher, Shenseea. Yeah, bad. I like everything about it. I like the whole feel of the old school vibes coming back in a dancehall on a regular now. We see where you feel like rhythm with the old school bounce there, take over the place. This remind me of him and Spice. She love turn back queer. Yeah, can't take the pressure when it. Yeah, that song there. Yeah, at the same vibe, at the same feel. But the video itself, I show you say, yo, this is the aim that I'm going for. This is the look I'm going for, like an old school look. Yeah, bad. Teacher, big up yourself. Mama Sheng, big up yourself. Yes. Artist thing outside, other than son, you say, yeah, that's true. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section, though, and I'll catch you guys out there.